The RUGCEL Winch 13500lb waterproof winch is equipped with an innovative shell painting process that significantly enhances its ultraviolet resistance, making it ideal for long-term use in harsh environments. A standout feature of this winch is its advanced automatic clutch system, which allows for seamless disengagement with just a wireless remote control, eliminating the need for manual intervention. Safety is paramount with this winch, as it includes a power-off switch to prevent accidental power loss and a protective block that securely stores the winch hook. The winch's robust 3-stage planetary gears, with a gear ratio of 236:1, ensure powerful and smooth motor operation, maintaining safety even under heavy loads. Utilizing pure copper cables, the RUGCEL winch offers exceptional stability and conductivity while being resistant to corrosion and oxidation, ensuring reliable performance. Designed with dual-color synthetic rope and a hawse fairlead, this winch is perfect for trucks and SUVs, providing both strength and aesthetic appeal.